In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit store name in Payhip. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your changes with confidence. First, open your Payhip dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, everything you need will be just a few clicks away. Look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where your account controls live, and it's the quickest path to the settings we want. Click on Account in that top right area. A small menu will appear. From there, choose Settings. This takes you into the main settings hub for your store, where you can adjust details that affect how your brand appears to customers. Inside Settings, head to the Store section. This is the place where your storefront identity is managed, including the name your customers see at the top of your store and in various parts of your checkout experience. Locate the field labeled Store Name. Click into that box and type the exact store name you want to use. As you type, think about clarity and brand consistency. Keep it short, recognizable, and easy to read. Avoid unnecessary punctuation or symbols that might not display well everywhere. If you're rebranding, make sure the name aligns with your logo, product pages, and social profiles so everything feels cohesive. Take a moment to proofread what you've entered. Small typos can be surprisingly noticeable on a storefront, and this is a great time to catch them. If multiple team members manage your store, consider agreeing on capitalization and spacing so the style stays consistent across your marketing. Once you're satisfied with the new name, scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you reach the section that asks if you finished adding your settings changes. Right below that, you'll find the Save Settings button. Click Save Settings to apply your update. After saving, give the page a moment to process. Your store name change should now be active. If you navigate back to your dashboard or preview your storefront, you'll see the updated name reflected wherever Payhip displays your store identity. Remember, this change helps customers recognize and trust your brand, so it's worth getting it exactly right. That's it. Open the dashboard, go to Account, then Settings, choose Store, update the store name, scroll down, and save your settings. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your storefront polished and professional.